Well, now I have you in the classroom, and there's a couple of classrooms. This is really a state-of-the-art facility. There's a giant overhead mirror, or plenty of space to be able to see your instructor. There's great lighting. You have your own table to work with. Plenty of room. You saw that view. Fantastic view. Plenty of room for the teachers to display their paintings, and plenty of room for the students to work. You have your own space. You got plenty of room to work around, lots of display material, and a view that doesn't die. Water and coffee in the back of the room. I've taught in many, many locations. This is really one of the best. It was built as and for artists. So, the best and more important reason, you have some of the best people there to help you. Denny, Sue, Stephanie, and Todd, they're really very dedicated. These are the owners, these are the operators that are really here to attend to you, making sure that this is going to be one of the best workshops ever for you. I'm in a great frame of mind, the students are in a great frame of mind, it's a great place, and that's why I wanted to spend a minute and share with you why I suggest this is where you want to spend your next art workshop here at Dillman'S Sand Lake Lodge. And if watercolor is your particular medium, well, let me save a seat for you here at the demo, and let me save a whole table for you where I can come and help you become a better artist and have a great memory at the same time. So, once again, Tom Lynch, I've been teaching for 32 years at this particular place. It's my favorite, and I sure hope I see you in class. I'll save a seat for you. Thanks for sharing me with a minute of your time so I could talk about a great place for you to take art. Bye for now.